I will be describing about my father, who is my role model, the personality which I admire. Yes, you have listened correct. My father is my role model and the personality who I admire. The ability to think big, working hard to achieve the goals, improvising day by day, and continuous assessment and perseverance. These are all the qualities defined by Dr. Abdul Kalam. We all know that. Exactly, my father has adapted those qualities and he has grown in his life. I can define why my father is a role model for me. Why I admire my father so much. I can define in 4 steps. Step number 1. Being born in an agricultural family, my father has completed his PG, and even after completing his PG, my grandfather doesn't want him to go for a job. He wants my father to see the lands there itself and to be there itself. But my father was totally reluctant to that one. He wants to pursue his career. Whatever the education he had, he wants to get the use of that one. So he has went to the place Vijayawada, which is 400 kilometers away from the place where he lives. He lives in a village in Kurnool district. So the place is 400 kilometers away from that place. So such was his interest towards pursuing his career. Step number 2. My mother, she is a heart disease patient. She was suffering from a hole in the heart, which is called as ASD. Even in those days only, he was able to get operated without taking the help of his father, without any financial help from anybody in those days itself. Not only that, he used it to help my mother a lot because she is not well. And apart from that, he has pursued his PhD with all these hurdles in the family, and he has become a professor. And even he was a president in a cultural organization called Rasabharati in Vijayawada for over 15 years. So such was his interest towards the family and such was his dedication towards the education. Step number 3. In those days, actually people used it to tell tuitions to students. The lecturers, once after completing the college time, they used it to tell tuitions to students. And they will be taking money in lieu of their teachings. So there are people who were earning more than the salary by the tuitions itself. So whatever the salary they get, they are earning more than that by the tuitions itself. My father also used it to tell tuitions, but with no money. Even his friends, my mother, his mother told him several times, why not to take money when everybody is doing like that? He told that it's his passion. He is only telling tuitions only for his desire, but not for money. So such was his generosity towards the students. Such is the mentality. That is why I admire my father. Step number 4. My father is very financially disciplined. Even in those days itself, with that low salary, he used to save money, a certain amount of money, a certain percentage of money in several modes. Actually, he used to save the money in recurring deposits, something in recurring deposits, something in stocks, something in lands, like that. So whatever the financial gurus What are the financial experts saying nowadays? He used it to practice in those days itself. I use it to remember. In those days, there were no demat account for the shares actually. A lot of papers, share papers, dividend papers were there as bundles in our almara. So many shares he has got. So he was investing in such type of things. What are the modern techniques which are people are talking about today to do? He has applied in itself. Even now, I will take his advice. I will take financial advice. Even now, he has got a strong understanding of which shares to buy or which mutual funds to buy. Such a knowledge he has financially. So, after saying all this, I am really proud to say that my father is the personality which I admire. He is my role model and I have to just become like him. Because even at this age also, he regularly woke up at 4 o'clock in the morning and he do puja. And nowadays he is more towards spirituality. He is more about divinity and he is do meditation a lot. So at every phase of life, I have to get something from him. There is something for me to get things learned from him. Such a great personality he is. That's why I admire him a lot. He is the personality which I admire. He is my role model. I'm proud to say that. This is Kiran signing off until we meet again.